to kill Matt this bit to death, you feel me? Today is today y'all two motherfuckers gonna kick in. Yeah, man, look, check this out. Y'all thought I was gonna hit y'all, yeah, with the intro, but nah, this video, not the intro. This day, y'all two motherfuckers gonna kick in. Y'all know that movie, man. Write me down below and let me know that who said that in the movie, man. Pretty much y'all know if y'all watch movie, but the ones that don't watch movie, you probably wanna know what I just said. You feel me? But anyway, today, for real. No, I'm just playing with y'all. Today, I'm finna go and work on Midnight Hustle. Alright, I will be installing my, let's see, I got them over here. I will be installing my, let's see, my, I gotta take it out the bed. I had painted a little red. I should have left them black, I don't know. I will be installing my key door knob, key locks in my door. So, let me put that back in there. And I'm finna sit that right there. And I'm gonna sit y'all up. I'm finna take cover off my car. There you go. Lightweight family. They get it. Sit y'all right here.
I'm gonna tell you what happened. I'm in charge. My brother.
Yeah, you two taking out this. Look at right here, I'm tripping. Man, I would have been did another video on my car, man. It just been raining, then it been cold. One day it's cold, one day it's hot. The weather just back and forward, man. But today today it's a beautiful Sunday. Matter of fact, good morning to all my subscribers. Good morning to the ones that just subscribed to the channel. I'm kicking in with another video all about Midnight Hustle. Midnight Hustle right here. Anyway, for the new one that just subscribed to the channel, I was doing a street build Malibu, 79 Malibu. It's your boy Lightweight, but my car name Midnight Hustle. Yep. Yo, thank y'all for watching the video. Thank y'all for subscribing to the channel, man. The only way we going is up, man. You feel me? It's up. You feel me? Yeah, it's up. Yeah, I'm gonna sit y'all right here. I would have been. I ain't got my 9-inch Ford Rain. Oh, waiting on my houses to come. He said he gonna send it this week coming up. So he said I'm gonna make sure I send it this week coming up. Cause I supposed to been had my Rain up on here, man. Like it ain't me, damn, bro. So you know it is what it is, man. At this point. But when I get it next week, I will be dropping that video too. So just stay tuned for that. I got a whole lot of stuff for this car, bro. Oh yeah, today, another thing. I'm gonna take all this out. Take all this out my car. And I'm finna do some Kia mat in my trunk. Look at that shit. Brand new stuff, man. Wait, it's a little back out though, I ain't tripping. I'm finna Kia mat my trunk, so I'm gonna pop my trunk off. Right now I'm finna take everything out. And matter of fact, I'm gonna sit y'all up. I wasn't gonna tell y'all, I'm gonna keep y'all running. Yes, sir, YouTube. You know how we do it.
No, I couldn't. You like those cars, brother? Are you off recording? I'll tell you what happened to Tommy Army Sergeant. You ain't recording, are you?
Yeah.
Okay, well I can't tell you.
Yeah, okay. I thought we were turn it off in a minute though.
But now I can tell you. You don't go give me the gas?
Yeah.
Where you want me to start?
Hey, Probably move that Jeep.
Probably, I got another tanker for that gas if you want it. But I found out what I found out from the house ago. I gotta go to the channel. I gotta go, right. I want this stuff. Well, I get done with it. Can I have your bag? Best I can afford. Hey, wait a minute, you got junk in here.
What is that?
I don't know, I guess. You gotta look at it.
Damn, open that joint up.
I got my water bottle for it. Yeah, this Joe. That's sensitive.
Oh, you can try it.
You know this?
No.
Sure.
No.
Yeah, they about my brother. They about me too. I got drunk. Smoked. Jack Daniels. He wanted me to spend the night. That was his army sergeant. I told Tommy that night. You get your parts the other day? Your part. Your part.
Should run a track here.
Look at that.
Transmission.
You want this other part?
Huh. Throw it away. That boss there too. Keep this.
You want to keep this?
Nah, he go that Jeep. It ain't no good.
You like your new tires?
Damn, I bent this.
Tell you what, man. Can you undo the gate? Hey. How much do you think that gas line cost? $12?
Yeah, line.
Yeah. No, for that weed deal.
Yeah, I'll talk that. I think kind of like.
That one last time I bought some, but I don't know. They sell that stuff at the parts store.
Hey. Should run a track on it.
Look at it. Dude, you got two of them.
You want to get that track on real quick?
You got two of them. You need to wear these at all times. So you need one too.
Oh, yours, huh?
I know, but you need to wear them all times.
Hey, throw it.
You don't want those? But you need to wear them when you weed eating.
Oh, yeah. Put it.
I think I got another one. You want another one like that? I got another one like that. Yeah,
Alright, YouTube. Got everything cleaned out on this side. Oh shit.
put it on.
Everything cleaned out on this side. Now I'm finna go to the other side and take everything up the other side, YouTube. I mean, my brain ain't working. I don't know why I keep saying YouTube. I mean, lightweight family. Lightweight family. Y'all my family, dog. You feel me? Got tools everywhere.
I want to put this in the thing. You got more hair than I got. Or you think I got more hair than you got? At least I got it out of my jacket. No, I dropped the other one. So what do you want me to do first? You want me to cut the front or cut the back or get me started.
Hey,
And then you come up, you need a little line.
hey, tell them look at all this stuff I got, man. I got plenty of stuff.
Oh, fuck, that's an elbow for the business.
Paint after paint.
That's how it was.
Flat mat. Oh, I might need that for the donut. Hell yeah.
You see any little baby line in there, let me know.
I'll bring you the torque right. Torque right I use on my motor. I just be buying shit.
How much do you think those L tools would cost? About $100? Yo, you.
They right here, a spray gun. Right here.
Spray gun?
Yeah, it's a spray gun.
You know, I get thrown on. Because the air compressor went out. You know. I got $50 for resin. You don't want to mess with resin. It looks like a big on your fingernail. You don't want resin. Fiberglass. You don't want to deal with fiberglass. Joe don't even want to deal with fiberglass. Plus it's itchy. It don't itch me though, I'm used to it. Don't let that excavator be in your pocket because it leaks out, it's going to mess your whole body up.
Right here. Go bottom this.
I had one too. I did a good job. There was another one.
You take this part here.
Like he had.
And you drop this in a bucket. Like you washing car, you drop it off in a bucket. And you just magic trick. I'll show y'all one day. I'll show y'all how this works.
Till your battery runs out.
You know how long that thing been in the box? It been in the box about 2 years.
Damn.
That barrel still up.
You want your dime back?
Got another barrel, extra barrel to go to it. I'm gonna throw this away.
Man, maybe it would be what?
Throw this away.
Maybe be good.
Okay.
What is it?
It's a charge.
No, don't throw it away.
And there's the nozzle go to it. I gotta look for the rest of my piece. Hey YouTube, I don't want this video super long, so I'm gonna turn y'all off. What's that? I'm gonna turn y'all off and I'm gonna turn y'all right back on. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Please don't go nowhere. If you go somewhere, you're gonna hurt my channel, man. Don't do it. Please don't do it. I'll turn y'all right back on. YouTube, I'm finna go get my seals, and I'm gonna turn y'all right back on that way. Y'all looking for some of this? Y'all want to kill mat y'all interior, inside, and trunk? Just get on Amazon and just type in kill mat, and I think they sell by the box. I think like 50 sheets. And they come fold. You get some with 50 sheets, you get some with 100. So y'all looking for some? Pay Amazon a visit. Hey, finna kill Matt this bit to death, you feel me? Yeah, lightweight family, y'all gonna order this kit. The kit don't come with it, but you can order this separate. I think like $15. You get different size. You get one big. You get different size. You get 3 of them. You get different size. Yup, getting it right. lay it down. And then when we show y'all the tool that we using, we're gonna turn y'all right back on. When we finna get done with the whole trunk, we'll turn y'all right back on. Till then, stay locked in, stay watching. We got more to show. All right, back. Is your boy back? I know y'all like, oh yeah, the sun went down that light. Where you been? But I've been working on my old school, midnight. I've been working on midnight house salt, man. Give me hey, look, I'm finna drop this video today. I'm finna go in the house, edit it, take a little shower, and I'm finna give it to y'all straight raw, man. Yeah, straight raw, man. Let's get it. Finna check it out, man. See how I did, man. That's it. This Gbodys stick, bro. That shit ain't gonna be here long. I gotta adjust my my little rod. Well, y'all can't see it. I gotta adjust my my hinge, my these little rail back here. This little spring, it called a spring release or some shit. I gotta adjust it, but yeah, man, I did it. Kind of dark, but y'all see it. Still got some more left over. I'm gonna get up in the morning, finish the rest. And the reason why I could have been finished the car, but y'all see, I got my little nephew now over here, my niece. You know what I'm saying? I'm just, you know, my family, man. My family pulled up on me. You know what I'm saying? Came to talk to me. So I've been talking to them, and they still over here. You know, we still talking, chopping it up. But that's why it took me a little minute to finish my car. But I still got the job done. You know what I'm saying? I had to take the time out, talk to them. You know what I'm saying? Because I ain't seen them in a little while. They ain't seen me in a little while. They came and checked on your boy. That's what family's supposed to do. Come check on each other. We love each other. So that being said, I'm gonna close this video down, and I'm gonna turn y'all back on Monday. Today's Sunday. I'm gonna turn y'all back on tomorrow. Cause I think tomorrow's supposed to rain. And the reason why I ain't been posting, because our weather been on and off. We'll get rain, it'll be cold. We'll be cold, we'll get rain. So the only day I had today, Sunday, the sun was out, it was kind of a little warm. So that what made me come out here, took the car cover off midnight, and start working on it, man. Now I'm finna get this video, it's finna come y'all way, man. And till then, I love all y'all, man. Thank y'all for y'all support. I love y'all. I promise y'all, man, straight from the heart, man. On the God know. And man, y'all out there on this beautiful Sunday, y'all out there enjoying yourself. Make sure y'all make it home, back home safe. The same way you leave, the same way you need to come back. And God gonna bless all of them, man, to make it back home. You know what I'm saying? I ain't going nowhere. I'm already at home. You know what I'm saying? This my castle. I ain't going nowhere. You know what I mean? You can't pay me to leave my house, man. Until I go out of town, then I'm gonna give y'all more bangers, more footage, and more everything, man. You know what I'm saying? So this just being real. So y'all out there, make sure y'all be careful, man. And watch over your surroundings. You in Memphis. You know what I'm saying? Because Memphis going crazy right now. I don't know what's going on. This motherfucker like that head cut off, man. But anyway, I'm gonna close this video down. I'm gonna turn y'all back on tomorrow, YouTube. Until then, stay locked in and stay watching. It ain't over. I'm gonna turn y'all back on tomorrow. I love all y'all, man. God got us, but we out.